Hello, people. I welcome you back again to another lesson. And today I'm going to be teaching you this drum rudiment that I've learned over the years. And you can also apply it on the drums, which is the double stroke roll, which is a two sticking right, right, left, left, as you can see below this video. And it's going to be more like an advanced lesson which I'm going to be teaching you today that will captivate your heart and make you to be inspired. So I'm going to tell you how to play that, and I will explain it for you. So watch this video to the end so that you can get the full details. If you are watching this video for the first time, there's a red button below this video. Subscribe so you can get more of new videos coming up and you can be inspired. So let's go to today's lesson. Now, to play the double stroke roll is very easy, which is right, right, left, left. It's very easy. I'm going to demonstrate it here on the drums. I'll just learn the snare drum. Check it out. You can see how it is sounding very easy, but I'm going to play it for you slow and fast. So check it out. As simple as that. That's double stroke roll. Now to apply it on the drums, this is what I would do. And I want you to listen very careful. Now, you're going to put, instead of putting right, right, left, left, you're going to put it right, left, kick, kick, right, left, kick, kick. I'm going to demonstrate it here on the drums, on the snare drums alone. Then I'll show you how to apply it. So check it out. As simple as that. That's just right, left, kick, kick. Now I'm going to play it on the drums. I'll play it fast for you to see. So follow up. So just it, very simple there. That's the double stroke roll, double stroke roll. Very easy. I want you to follow this lesson, very serious. So follow this up, very simple, and practice this. It's going to make you grow. And don't forget to subscribe, share to your loved ones. I want you to support me by making this video going viral on YouTube, on Facebook, wherever, Instagram. Share it, and I want to get 1,000 likes on this video. So support me to grow, and let's grow together. Thank you, and God bless you. Peace.